Hey Arctic Warriors, what's up? Arctic Phoenix here. I got I know I feel like crap because COVID, but probably not as crap as my team looked this week. So CJ Stroud barely outperformed Purdy. I mean, not the guy who offered me Purdy in trade, but didn't do much of a different. Bijan Robinson looked like Aaron Jones looked like crap. Probably gonna be, and of course Jonathan Taylor looked decent. But and look who he had on his team. Kamara and Marvin Harrison Jr. Need I say more there? Of course, Malik Neighbors will start the team. I mean, Mark Andrews looked okay. So Dell didn't really benefit much. Pitts didn't look better. San Fran's D. Can't believe they this have. Can't believe Vikings did that to them. And of course, Brandon Audrey was one of my bright spots as well. Yeah, Zach Charbonnet, who I'm probably going to put in my starting lineup next week because look at his numbers. And, yeah, Isaiah likely didn't look good either, but he was on my bench, so. Anyhow, not a good week for me in fantasy football. I mean, we're 0-2 right now, so. Hopefully, I feel better next week and when my fantasy team does better next week, so. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day. Peace.